But it's time to hear the dirty rain, getting dressed, waiting for the revolution to come. Take away our pain, people get ready, but the time has come. The rich, the wealthy, the sadistic underbelly. Is this who we really are? Dogs on our knees to the whims of the elites. Check, can you hear the beat coming down the streets of my December band? Wearing balaclavas, carrying the fire, ready to burn the street down, burn the street down. But yo, don't you worry, the friends will only kill you if you're an agent of a system. Robotic monotony, misogyny, society in jeopardy. This is fire, this is rebellion, extinction. The rain kept them falling hard, preventing the banks from burning brightly. The police marched in, truncheons in hand, popping the people with the bullets. Oh shit, let the protest lies dead on the floor. The blood ran down the streets in torrents. The crowd pulled back, a few of the black bloc anarchists threw a couple of Molotov cocktails at the police line of barricades. Wavered, the crowd retreated, being for the cycle repeated. Broken glass lay scattered down the sidewalk. A couple emerged from the smoke, saying, we need to talk. Don't defend religion, what your job is. Look, letters at him, Mr. Policeman. Jack, the protester stood with his hands in the air in no man's land. The police stripped their guns and opened fire. The man covered the blood squirted from his mouth. His limp dead body fell onto the ground. The police line advanced. The protester subdued into a trance. The rich man danced, the rich man laughed as the protesters scattered in the face of systemic brutality. Streets are on fire, fire, apple. We can treat the world with mass dissent, but if we don't have the police on our side, we won't even make a dent. So come with us, burn the streets down, come with us.
As long as you can keep your face away from the fire, you can hit it right from the side of the apple. From the side of the apple. As long as you can keep your face away from the fire,